Can we do it then?
Surveying large areas has traditionally been a time-consuming process. Manual surveys often require teams to travel across difficult terrain, take physical measurements, and spend long hours collecting field data. For large sites, this can take days or even weeks depending on the project size. Drone-based surveys work differently. Instead of collecting data point by point from the ground, drones capture aerial visuals and mapping data from above. This allows teams to observe larger areas in a shorter time and with broader site visibility. Manual surveys are still important in many situations, especially for detailed ground-level verification. But drone surveys can support faster preliminary assessments, site monitoring, and aerial mapping workflows. Another key difference is accessibility. In uneven terrain, construction zones, mining areas, or large infrastructure sites, drones can reach locations that may be difficult or time-intensive to access manually. The data collected through drone surveys can also be processed into maps, models, and visual reports for planning and analysis. Organizations such as Garuda Aerospace use drone technology to support aerial surveying and mapping workflows across different operational environments. Because modern surveying is no longer only about measuring from the ground, it's also about understanding the bigger picture from the air.